What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I'm here today, first and foremost, so happy because we finally did it, guys. We reached a 10,000 subscriber milestone. So everybody, again, I don't know how to thank you guys enough. You've been showing this channel so much love. You are liking the videos, you're sharing them. The Discord is going crazy. We are at 1,000 members. I think I might be the only YouTuber that currently has a free Discord that is open to the public. That's where I discuss all my stock picks. That is the first place that I talk about anything that I'm interested in. Because again, guys, I am here to just put people on plays that I am interested in. I'm not telling anyone to buy, nor am I telling anyone to sell because I'm not a financial advisor. But I am just giving you guys stocks that I truly believe have a potential in the future. And again, oftentimes they have been penny stocks, but soon enough I'll be starting to talk about growth stocks and things of that nature. Now, again, thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do for everybody because you guys had showed me so much love. So I really want to do something for the 10,000 of you who have joined us on this journey. So thank you. I can't say thank you enough. And one other thing is, before I get into this updates for today, I want to talk about JAGX, Jaguar Health, and Zometica, some of the two things that I've been focusing on the channel. Because again, we saw some significant news with Jaguar Health, which I'm super excited about, but Zometica just been kind of running sideways. So I'll talk about that in a little bit. But again, guys, if you haven't, join a Discord in the description below. It's free, no charge, nothing. You're just there to have good conversations and good dialogues with each other and myself. And also, if you are interested, I do have a Webull affiliate link below. It helps out the channel, it helps me out, and it also gives you 4 free stocks as long as you sign up and deposit $100. Now let's go ahead and get started. Jaguar Health. Finally, one of the rumors that we've been waiting for has been announced. So Jaguar Health and sponsor of proposed post-pandemic recovery equity SPAC, special purpose acquisition company, to host webcast on Wednesday, January 27th, 8:30 in the morning Eastern time. Guys, this is what we've been waiting for. This is what we've been looking for. This is going to update us regarding the potential merger with Napo EU, Napo Pharmaceuticals. And again, Napo is the direct subsidiary, so it says the company's anticipated subsidiary in Italy. Napo EU will be manufacturing Mytesi, the antidiarrheal. Go back, watch the videos that I have discussed about this company. Again, I give you the pharmacist perspective, my idea behind it, and what I truly think of it, because again, I am very bullish on Jaguar Health. But I don't want to overhype because I want you to just go back, do the research yourself, do your deep dive. But guys, I truly think that JAGX is going to have some significant price action and significant movement throughout 2021. Because again, I truly think that this stock has some great potential because of the drug they are working with, which is Mytesi. And I see that it's going to potentially have expanded labeling, which is going to take it from you only being used in HIV patients who are on ART, antiretroviral therapy, to now potentially being used for other types of diarrhea, IBS, other diagnoses, etc. So keep this on your radar for next week as a webinar to potentially attend. If you can attend this webcast, great. Again, they're just going to give us a merger update and that kind of thing, which is huge. Also, let's look at price action for Jaguar Health. This one, especially in the Discord, has been super popular throughout the week. So starting Monday, I'm looking at the 5-day chart. We kind of saw it trade pretty sideways, and then it dropped significantly, and people were panicking. And I always say, when it comes to these kinds of stocks, small market cap, $380 million market cap, volatility, as I talk about in my penny stock video, is a must. It's going to happen. Swing traders, short sellers, day traders, etc. are going to look at these because it could be an easy money grab. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So again, we see the price decreases and people ask me in the Discord, for example, hey, your pop, Ahmed, are you going to sell? Are you going to sell? And I always say, guys, why am I going to sell something that I believe in? Why would I ever do that when I see it dip down and decrease in value? All I see that as is a buying opportunity. So if you don't believe in these companies, if you're just doing this sheerly because you're looking to make some profit, make some money just here and there, and you don't want to get into the true investing into businesses, into companies, then maybe this is not for you. I'm here to put people on plays that I truly believe in. Let's look at the 1 month. We bought it at about $1.78. It shot up to $4. I could have easily sold. I doubled my money, right? And again, guys, when those kind of run-ups happen, I always say, it's okay to take profits. Don't feel bad for taking profits. That is completely fine, and I truly think that if you do that, you're smart, And that's a brilliant thing to do, but always keeping some shares in there if you truly are long and believe in a company, rather than just something that you just want to buy and then sell if it peaks very quickly. So again, we saw it kind of trend sideways throughout the week, some consolidation, found some good support. We did see this dip, but then people bought the dip right back up. And now, just today, it looks like it's up pretty significantly, actually, even with the after hours, another 5%. So JAGX looks like it's consolidating. It's doing well ahead of some news that is potential for next week on Wednesday. So I'm keeping you guys and I'm keeping my eyes on the date of, again, January 27th. Please watch for it. If some positive news is announced, that's going to be a positive catalyst that could potentially take Jaguar Health to the moon. So keep an eye on that. ZOM, Zometica. The most controversial stock currently that I've seen anywhere. I talked about it early on with the true form at a 40-cent price. And I told you guys, I was saying, there is going to be those day traders, there is going to be those short sellers. And people who don't think that this has potential are going to short it, which is fine. Because guess what? We saw some support, magnificent support. Even if we look at the 1 month here, after it rode up to 130, since then, we saw nice support at $1. 98 cents, 99 cents to $1. So that's a very good sign for a stock like Jaguar Health. It looks like it's consolidated and it's staying well. Now we know with consolidation, two things can happen. Either positive catalysts can occur to bring the price up, or negative catalysts can happen, liquidation, dilution of shares, etc., bringing the price down. Zometica CEO came out recently and said financially they are set till 2023. They're good on money, their cash flow, everything is good there. So that was positive. I was very happy when I heard that news, and because of that news, we saw it run up to that $8, $10 earlier this week. And since then, kind of came back down and consolidating right where it was before the news with the CEO at $1, $2, $5. So guys, what am I doing? What am I doing with Zometica? Zometica, and what I think everyone else should kind of be keeping an eye out, is we're still waiting for True Pharma. True Pharma is the only thing that is currently on Zomedica's radar, and that is going to be the next 2 months. We still have 2 months time. So between now and then, for those of you who bought in early, especially because we see consolidation, I don't foresee any news coming out with Zometica. So holding your shares is the most appropriate thing to do if you ask me. Again, not a financial advisor, just saying what I'm doing. Holding the shares, and if it goes up without news, I'm guessing it's going to go up just because people are day trading it. People are just trying to pump up the stock, and it's going to probably come crashing back down to around the $1 mark. So between now and the True Pharma release, we might start slowly but surely seeing an increase in price as people start reading into the science, reading into the True Pharma point of care testing device, and see there is potential for this to actually disrupt the current point of care testing market within the vet field. And if that's the case, slowly but surely, especially if Wall Street picks this up and keeps this on their radars, and they start acknowledging that this can potentially truly make a change in the near future, we might see Zomedica's price action begin to slowly go up. But until March, I don't think we're going to see too much movement. But again, for us who bought in at the 40-cent mark, and anyone who did sell at that 130, 140 price peak, I understand it, and I give you I won't say anything negative, because again, you're locking in profits, and I respect that. And I always say, take some profits when you can. Any 200-300% run-ups, it's ridiculous if you don't, because again, it's sensible. I do too. I will take profits when I see something skyrocket in a very short term, but I always keep shares in companies I believe in, like Jaguar Health, like Zometica, and I'm holding on for the long term. And we'll see what happens after True Pharma comes out, after the future earnings reports come out, as more and more people start adopting this device, and with Jaguar Health, as more and more news is announced. So guys, please, as always, do your due diligence. Please be careful when investing. I respect your guys' money, and I want you all to make sure you don't waste it into stocks that have no fundamentals, that have nothing positive about them, just those pump and dumpers, if you will, and then you end up losing all your money because you are a person who works. You're an individual who's a hard worker, and you need to respect that. Respect your money, because if you do so, your money will respect you. And thank you as always, and until next time, guys, keep investing.